Hello everyone! Welcome back, I'm Elena Rugal, and today I will show you how to crochet one of the kind 3D stitch pattern. This is one side of my swatch. Let's look at another one. For this pattern you can use thick yarn or cotton yarn. It looks very beautiful. You can use pattern in different way. In this way, this pattern can be perfect for basket, hat, scarf, summer clothes, coasters, or another accessories for home or kitchen. And thank you so much for crocheting with me. For work you need crochet hook 1.4 millimeters and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. And let's crochet this beautiful pattern. Let's crochet the foundation chain. Make a chain of 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 32 chains in the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of the foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready, and now begin row 1. It is going to be a row of half double crochet stitches, chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch, make half double crochet. Then make half double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Make half double crochet into the each chain stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. My row of half double crochet is ready. Let's crochet row 2. It is going to be the second row. It will be the row of 3D stitches. Chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I turn the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 4 times 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. I turn the work. What I will do, yarn over the hook. Now yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands. I count from the top, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2. Now I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. My interesting stitch is ready. Continue, chain of 2. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip 2 stitches and work with the third one. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 4 times 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's repeat my 3D stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands, and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. My second stitch in this row is ready. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook 3 times and work with stall stitch into the third stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then I show you how to complete this row together. Let's complete row 2. After I have done the last 3D stitch, I have got 1 chain stitch, yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into this chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Here what I have, my second row is done. Let's crochet row 3. It will be the same row as I did the first one. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work. I skip the first stitch and half double crochet into the second stitch. Continue, make 2 half double crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, continue, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row together. I insert the hook into the... My third row is done. Let's crochet row 4. Chain of 5 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Now I continue alternate with chain space and 3D stitches. Then chain of 2 for the chain space. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip 1, 2, then 1, 2. I skip it 1, 2, 3, and now I'm working with the 4th one and make tall stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Now I'm working with the second half of my 3D stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, then pull through all loops on the hook. Then chain of 2, I skip 1, 2, and work with the 3rd stitch and make the tall stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Then you should continue working in this way till the end of this row. My row is almost ready. Let's complete this row. I did 2 chains for the chain space. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch, I skip 2 stitches and work with the third stitch. This is the second chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. The fourth row is ready. Let's crochet row 5. It is going to be a row of half double crochet, chain of 2, turn the work. I skip the first stitch and make half double crochet into the chain space 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I show you how to complete this row. As you can see, I have done 2 half double crochet into the chain space. Make half double crochet into the 5th chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have done pattern twice. Here how my swatch looks like. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. Also, this pattern can be used for blanket. Then you should repeat a row of 3D stitch pattern. This one, chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work, yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, and pull through all loops on the hook. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, as many times as you need. I have done 8 rows in my swatch. Here how it looks. This pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. For this pattern I did 32 chains in the foundation chain. Please write comment below the video what you will get. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. And I'm turning it and you will see the another one. Thank you so much for watching. It was Elena Rugal and see you in the next video tutorial.